Dante and Dandy. Today we're making delicious nachos for dinner. I'll show you how we make them at home. Come. You will need mozzarella cheese, boiled black eye beans or any cooked beans, chopped onions, capsicum, tomato, cucumber, avocado, and cilantro. You need pav bhaji masala, oregano, and chips. Line your air fry basket with parchment paper and layer the chips. I have small hands, so it'll take time. Ignore that, please. Now sprinkle pav bhaji masala on the top. Make sure to get it all over the chips. Add cheese as a thin layer, or more if you would like. Layer the black-eyed beans on top of the nachos. Add the onions, capsicum, tomatoes, avocado, and cucumber on top. This will take time. Add ingredients one by one. Optional, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt. Now garnish with coriander and oregano. A thin or thick layer of cheese on the top depends on your taste. Now we'll be adding dry oregano on the top of the cheese. those colorful nachos. Let's put it in the air fryer now. And then your baked nachos are ready to enjoy. Next time, I'll bring another yummy recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye!